Farmer Mike, live from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District where it is. In today's master class, I'm going to show you how to get rid of mice or rats organically with two simple ingredients that are safe for pets, safe for children, and of course, one of our most popular videos. I'm from Missouri, the Show Me State. So today, I'm going to show you it, in fact, does work. But first, don't forget to stop by our world famous YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube, the #1 true urban farming channel in the world. Over 500 videos all dedicated to urban farming, showing you how to survive, thrive, stay out of the hive, become self-sufficient. Growing your own food is like printing your own money. That's a quote from Ron Finley, the gangster gardener. And it's so true here on this channel. Of course, we're going to teach you how to do these things, how to grow your own food, how to print your own money, and how to become self-sufficient. So we've done this for the past 2 or 3 years. We've done videos on this topic, and a lot of people are still unsure if it does in fact work. With today's master class, free educational videos, I'm going to show you that it does in fact work. Now, what we have to do is we have to get us a small jar of peanut butter and a container. This is 12 ounces of Arm & Hammer baking soda, but it can be any baking soda and any peanut butter. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to mix these two together. A lot of people say about a 1-to-1 ratio. I will tell you, in fact, that you do have to vary the recipe. Sometimes you're going to put more baking soda in, and sometimes you're going to put less in. So that, of course, will vary depending upon the variety and the type of mice or rat that you may have. And so you can start off with, let's say, half teaspoon to maybe about 4 or 5 tablespoons of baking soda, but don't overthink it. You know, just put a little bit of baking soda in, put a little bit of peanut butter in, put a little bit of baking soda in, put a little bit of peanut butter in, and mix it around. Okay, you can taste it. If you can taste the taste of baking soda, then you put too much in. So again, mix it and taste it, and if it's too heavy on baking soda, add a little peanut butter. Now, what will happen is, if it's too heavy on baking soda, then the rats will nibble at it, but they won't eat it. And so I'm going to show you right here. This is how it looks when you mix it up, of course. And when I make this batch, you can see right here, this batch has not been eaten in about a day and a half, and that means I need to add a little bit more peanut butter to this. So I was a little off on this day when I made this mix, this particular one. So, you know, no harm, no foul. You can still get some, add some peanut butter to this mix and put it out, and of course, you're going to save yourself a great deal of money. Now, you can go to some of the big box stores and you can get a chemical. You have to be careful with the chemical around your pets and dogs and cats and things like that, of that nature, and children. This is much safer, and it is less expensive. So this total of this will probably be around $3. And if you got one of those containers at your hardware store, you're looking at maybe $29 on up. And so we're gonna take these, mix these together. You can start off with a 1-to-1 ratio if you like. Again, taste it. If it tastes like it has too much baking soda, then you want to add more peanut butter, okay? And then once you dial in your recipe that works for you, let me know in the comments section at Facebook or on our channel. Let me know if it worked for you and what your ratio is. And so I'm going to go ahead and set this down again. I'm going to show you some good things and some bad things about a mixture like this. In the summer and in the fall, this can attract ants, and so that's a consideration for you for here. Outside our greenhouse, we really don't have, or even inside, we don't really have to worry about that. But if this was in your home, that's something that you might want to consider. But it is. It works amazingly, and the way this works is the baking soda creates a gas in the rats or mice, and they have a very hard time releasing that gas, and it ends up putting them to sleep. And so let's come over here and follow me over here. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you just in fact how this works right here. And as we see right here, this is a deceased rat. And I want you to come in a little bit closer with the camera right here, and we can see what the baking soda actually has done, okay? And let's flip him around, and let's look at right here, okay? And so this is where he's gotten to the peanut butter baking soda solution right there, and that's a little dust. That is clearly the baking soda right here. And so he had a very hard time recovering after he ate this mixture right here. And again, I'm gonna show you right here, okay? So that's where he got into the solution, got some baking soda right there on his leg. And then right here, right there, that's where he got into the mix, of course, and he was unable to recover from this. Again, Farmer Mike live from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District where it lives, with another incredible video showing you how to rid your garden or your space of rats and mice organically. We saved probably closer to almost $30 using just peanut butter and baking soda. Of course, you too have to experiment with your ratio. If it's too strong, they won't eat it. And if it's not enough powder, then it won't get rid of them. So you could start with the 50-50 ratio, taste it. If it tastes like too much baking soda, back off a little bit on the peanut butter, and you too will have some success right here, showing you it does happen and it does actually work right there. Can we get in a little bit closer right there? And we can see right here. And these type of pests not only carry disease, they multiply rapidly. So one rat can easily have about 13 or more pups. So I believe that's what it's called. Let me know if that's not the right terminology in the comment section. But they can have up to 13 babies or so really fast, and it can get out of hand if you do not stay on top of it. Again, Farmer Mike live at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and I will see you in the next video.